foregoing is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:30 a.m. At 9:21 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 23 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 55 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 10:40 a.m., Northerly Island around 11:10 a.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. This is NOAA's weather.